All right, guys. So we are now in trading psychology. Ayan. So if you wanted to start trading, we always have to start with our minds, our psychology, right? So here we will know um, how the how a successful trader thinks and how an unsuccessful trader thinks, right? Kasi again, everything starts with the mind. If everything starts with the mind, then what we have to focus on more is our minds or our internal stuff, our psychology, right? Kasi sa trading, um, it will be 20% strategy lang and then 80% personality or what we call psychology, right? Slash psychology. Yan. It is always um, going to be you. Yan. Yan talaga. So, again, you have to win first in internal, your mind, your heart, your beliefs, before you win externally. That is clearly said in the previous videos. And if you haven't watched the videos and you jump directly here, so what will happen is maybe hindi mo magigets yung thought kung bakit I always keep repeating you have to do internal first before external, and you have to win in mind first before you win externally, right? In any people, successful people that you will ask, any people, as long as they're consciously aware of what they're doing, why they become successful, they will all tell you that they have started with the mind, their beliefs. Okay? Um, they have seen the vision first before the vision happened. That is starting internally. They had that belief, strong belief, which is a belief is an emotion. Strong emotion, strong belief that this thing could work, that this thing could be something. Kaya they have won, no? So nanalo sila, nakamit nila yung mga bagay-bagay na gusto nila. It's all because of the mindset. So here in trading, 20% lang talaga yung strategy and then 80% personality or psychology. Yan. So what do I mean by that? So in order for you to win, um, you have to know the mindset um, or the difference between a successful and a normal trader. We don't want to call it unsuccessful because maybe they're still learning, no? But the normal traders, yan. So for the successful traders, they focus on the strategy. Yan. So they do have a setup. Meron silang setup. Nakita nila yung setup nila in this specific time, specific hour. So what they will do is they will put on an entry. They put on an entry and then they trust the entry. Right? They are not focusing on the money. So normal traders, they focus on the money. Yan. Magkano kikitain, magkano matatalo. Yan. Don't get me wrong, there is this what we call risk management that you have to know how much you will lose per day or how much you will win per day. But for normal traders, what I mean is, nakafocus sila sa pera, 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 pera. Kaya when they lose a trade, they will revenge trade right? Gusto nila makuha yung mabawi yung panalo nila. That's all because they're scared to lose, right? And all because they're focusing on the money. So here, if you focus on the money, you will be greedy, you will revenge trade, right? And those characteristics are things that successful traders will not do. Okay? So, um, they focus on the strategy. It comes along with believing, right? So, they have a setup, they have a belief that, or they have this strong belief with their setup, and they trust their setup. And at the same time, um, they're not attached on money or on the result, right? That's why they will win. But for normal traders, they have too much attachment. And what if matalo? What if manalo? Kapag nanalo sila, they napaka-happy nila, right? Don't get me wrong. We will celebrate when we win, but this kind of level of attachment is actually different. You know, they are too emotional, right? So when you believe in the setup and you keep doing it every single time, every single day, it will be now normal to you. Magiging normal na lang yung setup. And all you have left is the belief that this would win or this would be would be a losing trade. But you don't have any attachment onto that. You can, like say, celebrate your win, but you're no longer attached to the results. Yan. So dito, too much attachment sa result ng mga normal traders. Kapag nag-lose sila, you will get be angry, no? Get frustrated. Don't get me wrong, I get frustrated sometimes. Especially yung setup ko palaging na BBE or break-even session. But that's normal. You just don't have to feel um, the emotion. Or if you felt that emotion, then you can just snap right away because that would not do anything good. That's the purpose why you really have to go back to the videos because of the personal development, because you can apply that here. You can apply that into any businesses, right? If you have big businesses, right? Tapos stress ka sa businesses mo, right? It's not a good thing. Right? Stress ka lang always sa businesses mo. Sooner or later, either you'll stop your business or get out of that business or the business will fail. Right? So dito, once you can control your emotions, just that's the next trait, right? Right? Once you have your control with your emotions, you can control um, your responses to every trade. If it's winning, you get happy, yes, but you don't have too much attachment and um, you don't have feelings, no? Sa ano, kasi you've been doing that every single time. Para lang yung first time mo na bumili ng paborito mong sapatos, right? It's a good thing, right? You get happy every time makita mo siya, manglinis-linis pa niyan, 'di ba? First week, second week, and then eventually it will be just be normal, right? But for a normal trader, they cannot get enough of their emotion. So every time mananalo sila, I think they have control with the market. And then eventually matatalo sila, they get stressed, depressed, and so on. That's what we don't want to happen. Why? We have to practice our emotional control. No? I mean, control on our emotion. And this will be, it will all fall down to you knowing who you truly are. Yan. So, if you believe on your setup, if you already have setup, you've seen it, and all you have to do, the rest to your setup is to trust it. Right? You will already know, you should already know that this could be two ways. It could lose or it could win. So what's the hard part on ano yung like hard part na kailangan mong intindihin na dalawa lang yung pupuntahan ng trade mo. Either you lose or you win. Right? You don't have to deal with emotional attachments anymore kasi alam mo naman na dalawa lang yung patutunguhan ng trade mo. There's no other way but lose or win. Right? When you lose, a successful trader, right? Because they have emotional control, when they lose, they will what? Figure out why. Bakit sila natalo sa trade na to. And then they will be honest with themselves. Okay, natalo ako dahil I did not really believe on my strategy or wala ako sa strategy pero nag-enter pa rin ako. Right? But for a normal trader, since they don't have emotional control, kung matatalo sila, it will create more talo kasi they will put in more. Right? If they will win also, they will put in more. And that's the danger of focusing too much on the strategy and not on your psychology. Okay? So this is just a very quick video. Please always go back to this video. And kapag nag-start na kayo mag-trade, again, I always suggest you start with demo. You don't start with the real money right away. Try to practice your emotion in there. Try to practice your strategy that we're teaching here. Try to practice more of your psychology. We have to create beliefs first. No? Kailangan malaki yung belief natin sa strategy and on what we're doing. Because that will let you have more chances of winning. Right? And for the metaphysics kind of stuff, we have to gain more dopamine on our brains. We have to get more dopamines, more proof that this is working until we go in the live account. Dopamines will build you more confidence with yourself, with your strategy, with your belief, with your emotion, with your focus. Yan. Don't jump right away sa live account. When you jump right away, it only means to say that you wanted to have more money already, you want to have more income, and you're now focusing on the money. If you're focusing on the money, then you're just a normal trader. If you're a normal trader, most of the time you are attached to this kind of stuff. And when you're attached, ibig sabihin you are emotional. If you don't have control with your emotion, then technically you will lose eventually. Okay? That's it for this video, guys. See you on the next videos.